Hello everyone, welcome to this video about ChatGPT for SEO. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can use ChatGPT to improve your website's search engine optimization. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that is capable of understanding natural language and generating human-like responses. It has been trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet, which means it can provide relevant and accurate answers to a wide range of questions. ChatGPT can be useful for SEO in several ways. For example, it can help you generate content ideas for your website or blog by answering questions that people are searching for in search engine optimization like Google. Another way that ChatGPT can help with SEO is by generating meta descriptions for your website's pages. By using ChatGPT to generate meta descriptions, you can create more compelling and relevant descriptions that are more likely to attract clicks. Using ChatGPT for SEO is fairly simple. The first step is to identify the questions that people are searching for in your niche or industry. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to find these questions. Once you have a list of questions, you can enter them into ChatGPT and ask for relevant content ideas. ChatGPT will provide you with a range of answers that you can use as inspiration for your own content. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you improve your website's SEO by providing you with content ideas and meta descriptions that are more likely to rank well in search engine result pages. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found it helpful.